I'm Vinod, and I belong to 99 batch of NEC, NTTF Electronic Center, Bangalore. And currently I work for Dell as a senior manager, firmware development for enterprise servers. So it was in 99, like I said, when I got to NTTF, and I think the process, the entry process was very stringent, and if I'm not wrong, probably only 45 seats in a batch, and the electronics course was offered only in Bangalore, which means that you'll have to get selected from the total applicants of probably 50,000 people. So the seats were always limited. The entrance criteria was pretty stringent at that point in time. I hope it is a little more lenient at this point in time. So after coming to NTTF, one thing that I felt is it's probably one of the best decisions that I've made. I wouldn't say it is very intentional. I've heard about it from my friends. I've heard that it was really good and it offers job opportunities. And that's one reason I got into it. After coming here, one thing that I've realized is probably that's the best decision that I've made. Just because of the reason that the approach towards learning here was completely different from what I've seen till then. And it was 70%. I mean, it was 70-30, but mostly practically oriented, I would say. So that means we learn concepts, electronics basics concepts, and we practice that in the lab. And at that point in time, the lab was open 24 hours. And it was accessible to all of us. You know, we stay in the campus. That was another great thing. You know, there were like 150 people staying in the campus. And, you can walk into the lab anytime. There was no special permission needed. The doors are always open. That was a great opportunity. In fact, if you want to really try out new things or build on top of what you've learned, you had all the infrastructure that you wanted at that point in time, right in front of you. So that was something unique about this place, NEC. And I must say that laid the foundation for me. I mean, me as an engineer today. And I mean, I strongly believe that was the one thing that made me what I'm today. Okay, now coming to after coming out of NEC, this is one thing that was very evident when I got into the industry. You know, my colleagues coming out of different colleges, they lacked practical exposure. They were good in their theoretical understanding and knowledge, but they lacked practical knowledge. But that's where I could actually contribute better than any of my peers or colleagues, right? And I think I still feel that is still true. And it is more prominent today because everything it's not about what you talk or what you say you know or you can do, but instead what you really show. So I do believe that a practically oriented learning is the best way to learn anything, a master skill, and be good at it. I mean, one takeaway or something that I would suggest to anybody, even I request the NTTF management to carry forward, because that's one thing that I would always say that the best thing that happened to me. And I'm sure I've heard others, my friends who have completed various courses from NEC will agree with you. Right? So this will definitely help you to build your career because you'll be super confident on what you can do on that particular domain and based on what you've learned, theory that you've learned. Right? I think that's very important.